Struggling with prop firms?
Hey guys, today I'm going to be going over the break and retest strategy and why I believe it's simple yet powerful, just the way you read it in the title. And obviously while learning this, these easy setups, you never have to lose again. Now, first of all, welcome to my channel if you are brand new, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe, guys. Make sure you also share and also comment, guys. I always reply to every single one of my comments, and yeah, just because obviously I like to just answer everyone's questions and get to know you a little bit more. And also, guys, if you want to join the mentorship program, there will be a link in the description. We're already up to about 174 members within about 2-3 weeks, I believe. Oh, this is my 200k account. I don't know why I just clicked on the C trader. Okay, coming back to this. Okay, so now if we look at US 30, which I'm going to use this for example. Now, another thing I want to get out of the way, guys, is this is not my own personal strategy. My own personal strategy with the break and retest, I do use break and retest, but it's for totally different time frames. Now, this is just for I'm using it as an example for you guys, just to show you guys. So, okay, I've already on the 4-hour time frame marked out these major rejections, as you can see here. The first one, we've got a resistance here, price comes down, we've got a little support created, and this was the reason for this resistance zone being created, and the price multiple times touches this psychological key level. And even here, rejections, and we've got multiple, these were the previous highs. We've got rejections here, rejection, and obviously, as you can see as well, guys, there are losing trades here. But the point of this video is as well, guys, that if you show you here, this is my backtested data. I like to have this on Canva. We do have, I've backtested, I don't know, the last more than 280 or 300 trades plus. On Excel, I've traded the last. I was showing this in my previous video just to show the viewers that I do have the back tested data. This is the last 534 trades. So I've got the data, guys. That's why my own strategy is a 1-to-4 risk to reward with a 68 to 70% win rate. Now, coming back to the, obviously, first I like to mark these zones. Now, this is why I'm saying why never lose again. I'm not saying never ever lose a trade again. No, never ever go into negativity, on profitability. So once you got the major zones drawn, we go down to the 1 hour smaller time frame, and we just as you can see, obviously we got losses. I want to keep this video nice, short and simple, so make sure you hit that like and subscribe, guys. Tons and tons of values, even if you watch my other previous videos, but I'm just gonna be dropping a lot more videos every 2 days or every single day, so hit that subscribe and join the journey. Now, okay, so obviously on the small time frame, guys, this is all fluff. This is all, obviously, don't ignore this. This zone was drawn because of the rejection levels. Then the first time, obviously, we get a clear rejection here. Price just tanks, breaks through, and we get a nice 1-to-5. Now the first time, okay, then we move on to the next one. Price, I'm gonna go into a lot more detail. This is just a very basic level. Price gives us that breakthrough. Look at this, guys. Price gives us that breakthrough, but there was a rejection wick at the top, so it wasn't the best. And also, if you look what candle it formed, guys. If I color this yellow, it formed a evening star. So this is normally a sell signal. But then we got another bullish, but the first bullish candle break. So that was the reason for, obviously, it just shows that we went for a buy, but it was a signal. Mostly it was indicating, and this is on the 1 hour time frame, so mostly it was indicating towards a sell, that sellers are taking over. And obviously that was the reason for if I just move this forward, price did go in initially, obviously, into a almost 1-to-2 or a 1.8 actually, and then but it never went in our favor, and it just tanked and wicks us out. So if I just delete this, now then what happens, guys? Look, price huge bearish. Look at this huge bearish candle. Now if I turn on this indicator, let's remove this, let me move this. Okay, look at this. If I turn on the candle strength indicator, look at this, guys. 98.3% bearish candle, huge volume as well. Price absolutely tanks, comes back up to the retester zone. You take your entry from here. Now, okay, exactly. Let me remove this so you can see properly. Now look at this, guys. Price breaks through, we get a breakout, price comes back up to retest, bullish candle, but there's a rejection. So after this candle, I will take the entry, and what happens? Press play. Now this on the 1 hour time frame, so we get a 1-to-3.7. let's see how much we're stretched out. But I'll keep it maybe 1-to-3.5. Now with the US 30, I think obviously the stop loss, I'm not really, it's a fixed one, so even if we reduce it to 700, this only, you find out through back testing. With my own strategy, I only trade GJ and sometimes very rarely gold. With GJ, I know my fixed stop loss, I know my fixed take profit. So only through back testing, you will know what is the best TP and the best stop loss for you. So if I just show you, price has fallen to a, oh, okay, we got a 1 to 5. Perfect. Press play. Market keeps going. Let's see when the next. Okay, look at this, guys. What happens here? We get the breakout. The breakout candle here happens. Now the second rejection, the first rejection candle is this one here. Close is bullish. We get this rejection here. We have price to come back down. What happens? Bearish candles are also weak. We take the entry. What happens? Look at this, guys. Just flies. Absolutely flies. 1 to 6. But remember this, guys. Look. 1 to 700. If I bring this to 700, so this is a 1 to 9, but we're not looking for a 1 to 9. We only want a 1 to 5. Not selling, showing something fake. We get another breakout here, but this was the reason that we this on the bigger time frame was the reason for the zone being created. So we're not going to use that as this is the zone rejection. This, look at this, guys. Look at this. Beautiful breakout. Let me turn the candle strength indicator on again. Look at this. Can you see this? Look at this, 98.34%. Price absolutely tanks. Close is bearish. Bullish candle forms, but this, look at this, long wick rejection. Now this candle was bearish. It was black. It'll be even stronger. I would have risked maybe higher 2% if I was trading with a prop firm. Now the reason, obviously, if I just show you. Look at this, guy. This is a bullish candle with a long wick rejection at the top. This is a bearish candle with a long wick rejection at the bottom. Now, normally when these candles are opposite, meaning if this was black and this was blue, bullish, but when something like this happens, opposite, wicks on the opposite color side, this means that the decisions are being made, and obviously there's a bit of, if you want to call it consolidation or big decisions being made. Obviously, the price favors the sellers. Price absolutely just tanks, and look at this, none of the candles closed above the psychological key level. Market just tanks. So this again, look at this, guys, 700. We don't want, now we know 700 is the better price point. Let me move the candle strength indicator so you can see properly. So now we are looking for, price keeps going. What is touching to 4.5. Let price keep going. We go to a bigger time frame so you can move, the candles move faster. Look at this, guys. Okay, now look at this, guys. Price closed below. We got the breakout, but we never got no retest or rejection, so we don't take a buy here. We wait now. Price comes here, breaks through the candle, price comes back into the zone, we take the entry, bearish candle, we take the entry, and look at this, price just falls. Now this is one thing I love about indices and commodities, gold and US 30, price just absolutely flies in your favor, tanks off in your favor. Now what happens? We get the breakout. We get the breakout here. Just 1 moment. We get the breakout. First of all, okay, we get the breakout here. So let's do this actually. We get the breakout. But look at this. This is a bearish candle. It closes bearish. I'm not interested. Bullish breakout. But we close bullish as well. So we take the entry from here. But obviously things don't go. It did run into a little bit of profit. Like up to here, maybe a 1 to 1.8. But we're looking for 1 to 5, so we'd rather take a loss. Price obviously hits our loss. Price comes back down. We don't buy off support. We don't sell off resistance. Price comes up, closes bullish breakout, but we don't get our bullish rejection because price has closed bearish. So 1 minute, look at this. So we don't take a buy, but for a sell, it's broken through. Price closed below. We get the bearish signal here. This would be the better entry. Or you can even say when it closed bearish, you got this long wick rejection. You could have even taken an entry from here. So let's see if it plays in our favor. Beautiful. Now, obviously, I've already back tested this, guys. So when I said, let's see if it plays in our favor, obviously, I know it's going to play in our favor. Like even this one, guys, look at this huge volume, bearish candle. Price comes up, and we get this bullish rejection here. So even if you enter, look at this bullish, this is a rejection. So then, okay, where you can enter from? You can enter from this candle one where you get the retest again. Take the entry. Price falls. Beautiful. How much do you get? 1 to 3. Oh, but look at this. Remember, 700 stop loss, 700 points, 1 to 5. Absolutely beautiful. Even much faster. So another one. Let's see. We get a breakthrough here. Price comes up, bullish, but then this is the clean one, absolute clean one. So we don't take an entry from here. Remember, we don't buy off support. We get the breakout. Price comes up. We get the rejection. You could have taken even this candle here. So I'm refining this as we go. So this would have given you a 1 to 3. Let me make the stop. Remember, 700 points. So look at this, guys. 1 to 4. That's nice. I'll take it. So now the next one, let me just make the time frames bigger. Why? So I can just quickly get to the other side. Make it much easier for you guys. Okay, so I mean, you get the idea of you know, I mean, even if you look at the prop firm, if you're trading on a prop firm account, guys, on US 30 alone, US 30, you've only had what, 1, 2 losses, 3 losses here, but how many wins? And they're all like 1 to 5s, 1 to 4s. Like, you would absolutely destroy prop firm accounts. Now, this is obviously why, the reason I said in the title, learn this easy setup, easy strategy, and never lose again. You know, not by you never lose a trade again, no, but never lose as in you're at the stage of your profitability, never go backwards, you know, into unprofitability. Simple yet powerful. So I mean, if obviously, what is break and retest is simple, you know. I don't want to keep comparing to the strategy. There's so many strategies out there, trendline strategies, there's hedging, there's obviously ICT, the SMC, and there's obviously all these others. I asked ChatGPT to tell me, give me a list of all strategies, and it was absolutely crazy. I think more than 50 different strategies turned up. And you know what, let's do this. Let's go on. Can't spell. Of all strategies in Forex, let's just say, keep it simple, in Forex trading. Give me a list of all strategies in Forex trading. Let's see. Okay, scalping, day trading, swing trading, position trading. Oh, okay, let's keep going. Breakout trading, range trading, news trading, carry trading, algorithmic trading, price action trading, sentiment. Who's got the time to look at all this, right? There was a bigger list on ChatGPT actually that give me 100 strategies to trade. Let's see what happens. Let's see what kind of, you know, look at this, guys. This is technical analysis strategies. Now obviously we've got here the common strategies. I probably fall under where just I think it's the breakout one, like break and retest. The break, obviously, well, I'm day trading as well, obviously. Hybrid strategies, fundamental analysis strategies. Look at all these different strategies. It's going to give me 100, guys. Do you know why? Now that you know so many, especially if you're a novice and you don't know what you're doing, do you know why there's so much confusion? Why there's so many people giving up on trading? Why there is so much confusion? Why only 1% succeed? Look at this martingale strategy. I've tried that in the past. Turtle trading, I mean, super trend indicator strategy, stop loss strategies, trading stop loss positions. Obviously this is risk management strategies, specialized strategies, grid trading, psychological and behavioral strategies. Obviously there's different methods to approach the markets, obviously, but I like to obviously psychological and behavioral strategies, trading psychology, management, and all that. This obviously that's on the psychology side, but that's not an actual way to make money. It's just having a certain mindset when you approach the way you approach the markets. But look at this, guys. Look at this. Who has the time? Who even understands where to start from? You know. And then once you get one strategy, who has the like time to do all this? Like, or even doing it with different strategies, having, you know, knowing that, okay, after 4 trades I won 1 to 4, lost 1, then having all this data, right? It's absolutely, I just find it absolutely crazy. But the strategy, break and retest is super simple. You know, you wait for the break, you draw your zones, you wait for the break, you wait for the retest, rejections. Simple as that. Obviously with the break and retest here, it's you know, this is one of the most simple strategies you will ever find, and I'm just a guy that's been trading the break and retest. I've refined it for the last 1.5 years. I have data of 2 to 3 years of a GJ. This is just US 30. But my time, I mean, this, as you can see on the bigger time frames, I'm only getting entries like every few you know, maybe a few days, because I think it's on the 4-hour zone, so every few days. But my own personal strategy, if I just show you, okay, I'm on Discord again. If I just show you, not Discord, so I'm on the C Trader, but if I show you like my mentorship program that I show to my students, like super simple. Like this is obviously the mentorship side here. A+ setups, winners. Obviously we call our losing trade experienced trades. It's experience, isn't it? Here you can ask me anything. So it's just absolutely crazy. Obviously the journey of being consistently profitable. But this is, you know, one of the reasons why I want to make this video. Simple yet powerful. You know, that's what the break and retest strategy is. Very, 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 very simple. Now, I mean, even like once you draw the zones, guys, entry is pretty much, you know, obviously it's rule based. There's the restrictions when you enter, when you don't enter. Other than that, guys, super simple. If you do want to join the mentorship program, I've only got 2 spaces left. Let me know. And I hope you found value from this. Hit that like and subscribe. Just wanted to make this video particularly just to show you how simple the strategy is, not comparing it to any of the strategies, even though I know I'm on ChatGPT, but just to, you know, where do you start from? That was the whole idea behind it, you know. where do you start from, where do you finish, and it's crazy. Break and retest strategy in my eyes, like my previous video I mentioned, is king of the strategies. Super profitable, well, very profitable. It gives a very strong edge, but risk management is key as well. The reason I'm very profitable as well, guys, is because I've got a very good risk management plan as well, especially the way I approach prop firms. If you found value in this, guys, hit that like and drop me a comment. Like I said, I reply to every single comment. And if you want to join the Discord mentorship, speak to me one-to-one about the mentorship program. The link will be in the description. I hope you found value in this video. Take care, hit that like and subscribe. I'm out.